Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share a quick and easy way to solve printer error 709 in 30 seconds. Windows 11 updates often change system file settings. In this video, I'll show you how to update these files to fix the error right away. First off, we need to stop the print service. Just run this CMD file right here. Copy all three files inside the Spooler 64 folder. Go to C:/Windows/System32 and paste those three files there. Next step, start the Print Spooler service. Now, you can connect to the printer over the LAN on Windows 11. Reconnect your printer and check the result. And there you go. It's successful. The update file is linked in the comments. If successful, please subscribe and comment to support the channel.